Most businesses get local SEO wrong. They create a single service area page, or maybe a handful of city pages, then they wonder why they do not rank everywhere they operate. The problem is simple: a single page cannot possibly answer every specific question a local customer has. Your customers are not just searching for service in city, they are searching for services in their specific neighborhood. They are looking for solutions related to their exact zip code. They have problems unique to their local area. One page just is not enough to cover these specific needs. This playbook is for business owners, marketing managers, and web teams. It is for anyone who wants to dominate their local market online. We are going to build a large local website system that works. So, why build a 1,000-page website? The reason is simple: it gives you a massive advantage in local search. Think about all the different ways people search for local services. They use city names, neighborhood names, zip codes, local landmarks. A small website with only a few pages cannot possibly target all of these variations. It is like trying to catch fish in the ocean with a tiny net. You might get lucky and catch one or two, but you miss the majority. Now, imagine you have a 1,000-page website. Each page is laser-focused on a specific local area or a specific customer problem. You have a page for emergency plumbing in the 90210 zip code. You have another one for water heater installation in the Westwood neighborhood. Your brand shows up for thousands of different local searches. Each page is a new doorway. More doorways mean more traffic, more leads, more customers. Websites with more indexed pages tend to capture more organic traffic. But it is not just the number of pages, it is the authority that comes with it. Publish helpful content about every corner of your service area. You send a powerful signal to Google and to your users. That signal is Endure-E. We are the experts here. You are the definitive resource for that city. This builds immense trust. Repeated, helpful results drive clicks, calls, and conversions. The key to making this work is structure. A disorganized site creates thin pages and internal competition. You need clear rules, defined page roles, and a logical structure. This structure is your safety net. Scale content without sacrificing quality or creating cannibalization. With the right system, a 1,000-page site is not just bigger, it is smarter. To build a powerful local website, you need to think in layers. A flat structure where all pages are equal is a mistake. Use a 3-layer hierarchy: the hub, the clusters, and the local pages. This structure helps users and search engines understand your site. First, the hub. It is the main page for your entire market. Example: a Los Angeles plumber hub page. Provide a high-level overview, highlight awards, testimonials, and your core value proposition. It acts like a directory, linking to your service clusters. Second, clusters. Each cluster focuses on a single service or topic. Go deep, explain process, show case studies, answer FAQs, build authority. Clusters link back to the hub and down to local pages. Final, local pages. For cities, neighborhoods, zip codes, and specific landmarks. Example: drain cleaning in Santa Monica, emergency plumbing in Beverly Hills. These pages convert, add local proof, clear CTAs, travel times, and link up to cluster and city. The most common mistake is creating pages that compete with each other. This is called keyword cannibalization, and it will kill your rankings. The solution is intent isolation. Every page must have one primary, unique job. Ask, which specific user intent does this page satisfy? AC repair, Los Angeles, versus emergency. AC repair Los Angeles looks similar, but the intents are different. One is routine and price aware. The other is urgent on a 100-degree day. Isolate intents to tailor content, language, and call to action to the user mindset. You get higher conversion rates and better rankings. Map your intents before writing a word. Slice by scenario, outcome, and local context. Scenario: emergency versus maintenance. Outcome: affordable versus high performance. Local context: historic homes versus new construction. Link emergency clusters to emergency local pages. Do not crosswire routine pages. Keep roles separate: the hub guides, clusters teach, local pages convert. Clear roles eliminate internal competition. Creating 1,000 truly unique pages sounds impossible. The secret is unique meaning, not just unique words. Use consistent content blocks and inject variables, landmarks, scenarios, proof. Let your CMS populate location data dynamically. Do not spin content. Search engines detect low-value synonym swaps. Make each page unique by changing what it proves and what it answers. Coastal roofing discusses salt-resistant materials, wind ratings, and coastal codes. Inland pages emphasize fire-resistant materials and hail damage. Uniqueness variables, local proof packs, offer fit, local objections, internal link targets, schema variables, add photos of jobs, recognizable landmarks, and access notes. Tailor service packages and handle local objections, like preserving historic architecture. Use dynamic schema to declare area served and service type. Keep 80% consistent and 20% truly local. That is how pages feel authentic to users and rank distinctly in search. Internal linking is the roadmap of your site. It shows relationships and which pages matter most. Chaos confuses Google and dilutes authority. Follow hierarchy. Authority flows top down and back up again. Hub links to clusters. Clusters link to local pages. Locals link back to their cluster and city. This creates clean, siloed reinforcement. Use lateral links carefully, only if they help the user. Link adjacent neighborhoods or those sharing relevant characteristics. Control your anchor text. Avoid generic "click here." Use natural, descriptive variations. Examples: our full drain cleaning process. Learn about our hydro jetting services, main drain cleaning services. Disciplined internal linking is the glue that holds your 1,000-page site together. A page that just says "service" in city name is not a local page. It is thin and does not build trust. A dominant local page must feel local. Use a local proof system, a library you inject into pages. Area context, landmarks, recognizable buildings, streetscapes. For example, our office is 10 minutes from Medina Public Square. Mention travel patterns and how your team navigates them. Show you understand property mix and common issues. Add operational details, response times, and neighborhood-specific checklists. Show proof of work with customer permission. Great content still needs to be machine-readable. Use schema markup and crawl control to clarify meaning. At scale, generate schema dynamically from stable rules. Keep organization and website schema consistent site-wide. Vary web page, breadcrumb list, FAQ page, and how-to per page role. On local pages, include area served and service type. Do not publish all 1,000 pages at once. Deploy in waves. Start with hub and clusters, confirm indexing, then roll out local pages with segmented sitemaps. Break local sitemaps by region for easier monitoring. Identify thin pages and broken links fast, and fix them. A simple 7-step rollout. Define market and goals, build hub and clusters, map intents, build proof, publish in waves, reinforce links, govern and refresh. Avoid publishing too fast, copying across tiers, and neglecting governance. Fix, with proof, distinct roles, and recurring audits. For a done-for-you build, review IMR's 1,000-page local authority lockdown. IMR specializes in GEO, SEO, PPC, and lead gen for technical B2B, with outcomes-focused guarantees. Choose architecture over guesswork. Visit the hub and deploy your hyper-local takeover.